Hello YouTubers. So this was a spontaneous purchase walking through Home Depot. $94, but it caught my attention and I had to play around with it and I liked it. It's awesome. I was thinking of buying a metal storage cabinet, a locking storage cabinet to keep at home, about this size for $150. This thing's as big as a giant travel suitcase, and as you can see, it has wheels. It has a handle, locking, rolling, extremely portable, extremely durable, US made, and it has some pretty cool features. Starting with the fact that it locks. You can put dual padlocks on here. This is plastic. I wish this was metal, but it is very heavy plastic, which locks the bottom half. I'll show you in a second here. Unlatching. You can use this for tools or for high value items, your go-to case, whatever you need to take with you. Definitely can store some valuables in this thing. Coolest part, and what sold me, see that, is how you unlock and unlatch and access the main compartments, the big compartments. This thing rolls all the way back, locks in place, and you have a huge area that you can partition off, take these out for larger items. Plenty of bucket storage. It's heavy plastic. It's got a metal slide. Ball bearings, I imagine, for little sliders there. They slide incredibly easy. The mechanism very, very smooth. It locks in place once you heard that click, so you do have to latch it back up and just pull it closed. Locks closed. And you are mobile with a lot of storage space here for your valuables. You can throw that in a trunk and be gone. That's it. It's awesome. It's worth $94 in my opinion, for sure.